nami ke bathe uma ubaba labathi hayi man Khumalo, we want to celebrate a day noma ke kunzima bafethu, I will sponsor that event ukuthi nani ni celebrate, hoping ukuthi ke bathini isule le heritage manje leningi ngoSeptember. Yes, kuzobe sekwakhiwe la sekunqonywana. We will also celebrate here, but kufanele nize ne-sponsor madoda ngoba sebenzi wena unzima lo, kufanele nize ne-sponsor ba you need to come and sponsor, guys, to sponsor these activities because it's a good activities, but we need to dash. And into ba chief ngicela mina man this institution funeka sibe ne-fight because njengamanje okay njengoba sila izosifundisa ukuthi what is the heritage, and this institution lawa ama-agents lawa ama-heritage umthetho wabo funeka babe ne-public into funeka benze public bafundise abantu nge-heritage, but they are not doing that, they are understaffed. So then ke leyo duty leyo ukuthi beze public meeting bafundise abantu ezikwenziwa la, they need to banikele this institution to say go and teach this community and then bring the invoice, we paid you well so that you can go do your job, you see. So we need that thing ukuthi now if I see verse government, we are not doing enough because heritage was given mandate in terms of section 25 of 1999 to safeguard our heritage in all spheres of society, but they are unlimited. I've never heard a public gathering to teach about heritage. Only they do Heritage Day. So that's the other space. Bamutungwana sengivala man ngiyacela man bamutungwana. Bhekene nempenzima lapha ukuthi ke imizi leya ikhishwe phezulu kwamathuna. Bhekene nempenzima very tough. Because the lady who was handling this case naye is umuntu uyavota naye ngithi mina I've got a problem to do so. So what do you take about this letter? I said no, I don't have a problem with development. But City of Rueni need to. I've written to them to say, guys, we've got a problem, we've got a proposal from Tutusa. So now you need to do a formal response so that we can have this proposal as a priority. So I've told the councillor, and that would know, guys, this is the response. Ni nekhuluma City of Rueni enze right so that development. Khona manje umubheka la okay so hamba phezulu la kunabantu abancane bamaqina. There is no formal abantu abalapha for almost a decade, i-fridge, TV, for development formal abayas. So they've never enjoyed freedom. Asali bangene ngalo ndlela bangene ngayo, but it was isikhathi bekunjalo. There was no any way abangayenza, but City of Rueni was supposed to do the right thing, to say okay Khumalo kunabantu abangene lapha. So what do we do? Ngabe yonke lento umhlaba ngabe developiwe manje, but they've never done that. So that is why namhlanje sithola ukuthi abantu bahleli endaweni engazuthi I don't know angazibiza kanjani, because I even myself tell them ukuthi no guys, it can't be corrected for how long. So ke ngicela nje bamaqingwana ukuthi ke ubuyisa ithemba ebantwini ngoba abantu bakho bamaqingwana amandebele kahle kahle masiqiniqise bamahlanga ukuthi ke bamaqingwana amabhonu noma uhulumeni lo wethu ukhuluma ngo-1913 Act section 27 uthi no funeka siqale lapho siclaim umhlaba. 1840 ukuza ku-1913 what happened? Labo bona abathethe umhlaba lokhathileso before, what happened now? Ngoba la umhlaba kusuka la uyale mina what I know ukuthi ke before from amapholita amandebele umhlaba wakho konke lo maqhinga wonke. So manje ke kukuwe bamaqhinga ukuthi what do you do? Because abantu bakho the most ngiyengaba ngaba na into ashika nabo Bathi basahlangane babuye bala bahlukane babanga ezinye izinto bakhohle kuya phambili. Lastly bamacingwane kunobaba lapha ubabana babana Babdube ngike ngaba ne-meeting naye bamacingwane. Babdube unesimo esibizwa uma usibheka constitution bathi-ke the injustice of the past that need to be corrected at present moment. So my question, what does government do to correct the injustice of the past? Does in 30 years our present government corrected the injustice? No. You see? So it's a painful story. 32 families were removed from the farm without all alternative space or shelters. They were just removed. And then now when they present their stories, because of they don't have legal muscles to tackle this issue, it took them from 2001 until today. No formal way forward has been received or has been achieved. You see? So now we've got 2 hours. I sit with them for 2 hours, taking their